All right, welcome to Module 3. In this module, our expert will teach you about some advanced affiliate marketing tactics. So get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
All right, so in this video, we're going to be looking at a couple of advanced tactics. These are things that are going to give you sort of an extra edge over all of the other people who are promoting the product that you're going to be promoting. Okay, the first one you've probably heard of before is bonuses, bonus pages. And all this consists of is differentiating yourself a little bit from the competition by offering a whole bunch of awesome stuff to people if they buy a product through your link. Okay, so here we're looking at a review of a product called Cartel. Okay, this is by Dan Bradley, not the product, but the review is by Dan Bradley. And he has created not just a review page, he has created specifically a bonus page. Because these days people are Googling product names and the word bonus because they want more value when they buy things. And they know that there's affiliates out there who are offering bonuses. Now, he could get this ranked on Google and have traffic coming here just organically. Or he could use this as sort of an in-between page for his email marketing where he sends his email audience, instead of directly to the offer, he sends them to this page instead so that they can see what he's offering in addition. So just an additional incentive to get people to buy through your link instead of someone else's. As you can see, for purchasing this product, Cartel, through his link, you also get all these bonuses. All right, he's got a cool bonus stack here, a good value stack here. And you're seeing, let's see, a course on how to get a big list of hungry buyers. Let's see, landing page, builder, create funnels that pay you on autopilot, so another course or an info product there. How to save a fortune with Facebook ads. So he's offering a lot of value here and distinguishing himself, okay? Making himself distinct from everyone else by offering some more stuff. And he's a good guy here because he's showing people where to get their bonuses. This is an area where a lot of affiliates skimp and don't really give a whole lot of information. So here he's showing you where to get your bonus after you've purchased because he wants to make sure that his tribe gets what he promised after they purchase through his links. This is a good example of a bonus page. This is, in my opinion, a non-negotiable. You have to have, you absolutely have to have these pages, or bonuses at least, if you're going to be doing affiliate marketing in a competitive space these days. Now, the next thing we're going to be looking at is how you can sort of frame your bonus. This next one is a copywriting trick, and all it is making your bonus the main point of your email copy, of your promotion. Okay. It doesn't mean the entire campaign per se is about the bonus, okay, but at least one or two of your promotional emails are about the bonus. All right, and that basically means you're acting, you're kind of pretending that the bonus is what you're selling. So you're doing persuasive copywriting as though you were selling this thing, right? So here's some problem, solution, offer, right? And then at the very end, that's when you find out that you're actually getting this for free. What I want you to buy is a different product. Okay, if you buy it through my link, you get this for free. That's my bonus for, etc., etc. Does that kind of make sense? So that's not a functional or a strategic or a technical trick. That's a psychological, persuasive copywriting, a sales copywriting trick. Okay, that's a pretty advanced trick. If you use that, let's say you're doing a 7-day promo, then I would say the first day that you introduce a bonus, you should try doing this. At least one or two of your emails should be bonus-centric promotions where it looks like you're actually selling the bonus. You're really, really working up their interest in the bonus. And at the end, you reveal, well, I'm actually giving this to you for free as a bonus if you buy this through my link. All right, very powerful tactic. Now, the final thing we're going to look at is launch jacking, which is kind of a silly name. Some people don't like the term. But basically what it means is you're going to get out in front of an upcoming product launch, okay, let's say a month or 2 months or 3 months in advance, and you're going to lay the groundwork for competitive ranking, okay, search engine result ranking, YouTube ranking, all that good stuff. You're going to get your stuff out there and ready before the product even launches so that when people are looking for that product, when they're looking for reviews or testimonials or more info on that product during the launch, okay, or they're looking for bonuses, you have a much higher chance of getting gobs of traffic because you already spent the last 30 days creating content and search engine optimizing and all that good stuff, right? So it applies for YouTube, it applies for Google, And just to give you an example of how this works and the fact that it works, let's look here. This product here, Chris Munch 100K shoutout, has not even launched yet. But let's look what happens when we Googled 100K shoutout. Look at that. Anna's reviews. Jeff Lenny has a review about it. Social Lead Freak, Online Cosmos. All these people already have pages with bonuses and reviews. So content and bonuses, like we talked about over here with the bonus page. But they've got theirs rolled out a month in advance. Okay, that's a big deal. That's a very big deal. Okay, and you could take this a step further and you could use, paid advertising, search engine advertising, Google ads, if you wanted to, during the launch or on the eve of the launch and so on and so forth. But if you get out in front of this, far enough ahead of time, let's say, again, 30 days as an example, and which these guys all probably did at least 30 days in advance, you start creating content and search engine optimizing and, getting that URL age out there, so it's been there for a while. Google likes that. You're going to rank pretty high. Okay, for products. Now, this is obviously a high-ticket product, so the competition is high, so just be advised. Okay, but you can find products, in the low-ticket to mid-ticket tier, and, find out about those in advance and get your bonus pages, your review pages, and your content out there ready and search engine optimized well in advance of the launch, and, you're going to see a whole lot of sales that way. So that's it for advanced tactics. Highly recommend you use at least one of these in your next promotion and see how it goes.